The 2024 Mercedes GLB is an upcoming luxury SUV from the legendary German automaker. It will feature a sleek design, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology. On the outside, it will have sharp lines and an aggressive stance to give it a sporty look. Inside, there will be plenty of high-tech features such as touchscreens for controlling navigation and audio, a head-up display for displaying important information, and advanced driver assistance systems to help keep you safe on the road. Under the hood, there is likely to be a range of powerful engines delivering excellent performance while remaining fuel efficient. The Mercedes GLB is sure to impress both drivers and passengers alike when it arrives in 2024. The Mercedes-Benz GLB is a new and innovative SUV that offers an attractive blend of comfort, luxury, and performance. It has a modern design with the classic Mercedes styling, which is enhanced by the AMG Line package for a more aggressive look. The exterior also features LED daylight strips integrated into the headlamps and new taillights. The interior of the GLB is designed for luxurious indulgence with high-quality materials and several tech features that help make every drive a pleasure. This includes an infotainment system with advanced navigation, voice control, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Additionally, there are several driver assistance features such as Active Distance Assist Distronic cruise control, which helps drivers stay in lane using radar data and adaptive speed control that adjusts automatically to changing traffic situations. The engine lineup for the GLB includes both four-cylinder petrol engines and diesel options ranging from 136 horsepower to 224 horsepower respectively, so drivers have the choice of powerful performance or economy depending on their needs. All models come standard with 4 Matic permanent all-wheel drive and impressive fuel efficiency ratings, making them great choices for long trips or daily commutes alike. For extra performance, there is also an optional 4 Matic Pro system, which can provide even better handling in low-grip conditions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.